This meditation is designed to help someone naturally prioritize you because your energy becomes the only reality that makes sense to them. As you breathe, feel yourself coming home to your body. Your shoulders relax, your jaw softens, your chest opens gently. You are safe here. For now, there is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to chase, nothing you need to prove. Right now, you are simply allowing yourself to receive. You are stepping into the version of yourself who is chosen without effort. The version of you who knows exactly where you stand. The version whose presence shifts priorities naturally. The version people rearrange their lives for without being asked. Feel that truth settling in now. You don't wait to be chosen. You are the choice. And they feel this. They feel it in the way your energy lingers in their thoughts. Even when they are busy, even when they are distracted, even when they are surrounded by other people, your presence stays with them. You are the one they think about when their mind finally gets quiet. Your name rises in their awareness without effort. Your energy feels familiar, comforting, exciting, irreplaceable. You feel like alignment to them, and alignment always wins. Their focus returns to you again and again. You become the place their attention rests. Other priorities soften. Other connections feel less satisfying because you are the reality that feels right. Breathe into that. You don't need to control anything. You simply embody the knowing that you are desired. And desire creates action. They begin to move differently. You notice them reaching out at just the right moment. The words lifting your heart. They think about you before making plans, picturing your presence as they schedule their day. They naturally make room for you, rearranging details so time together feels effortless. Time opens when it comes to you. Effort feels easy. Showing up feels natural. You notice it in how they communicate. Clearer, warmer, more intentional. You feel the shift. You don't question it. You recognize it. Because this is what happens when you are aligned with being chosen. You no longer wait for proof. You expect devotion. And expectation is powerful. They prioritize you without reminders. They want to talk to you. They want to see you. They want closeness, not out of obligation, but because it feels good, because it feels right. Being connected to you feels like relief. You bring peace. You bring clarity. You bring grounding they didn't realize they were missing. And when someone brings peace, they become essential. You feel secure in knowing this. relaxed, confident, settled. You don't overthink their actions because their actions are consistent. They show up. They follow through. They make time. You don't wonder if you matter. You feel it in the way you are chosen again and again. Even when there are other options, even when there are other people, you are not competing. You are the standard. Anything that doesn't align with you falls away naturally, without drama, without confrontation, without effort. Their attention narrows. Their priorities sharpen. You become central, and this feels normal to you because you are used to being chosen. Breathe that in. You are used to being someone people show up for, someone they don't want to lose, someone they invest in. Your energy inspires consistency. Your presence invites commitment, not because you demand it, but because being with you feels like alignment. They feel inspired to be more present, more intentional, more honest around you. They want to rise, to offer more, not from fear, but from devotion. They want to match your energy. They want to meet your standard. They want to be worthy of you. You don't explain your worth. You embody it. And embodiment changes behavior. They begin planning ahead, including you naturally, considering you without effort. You feel safe in their consistency, safe in their presence, safe knowing you are not an afterthought. You are a priority. This reality feels calm, stable, grounded. There is no chaos here, only alignment. You feel deeply secure in yourself, and security is irresistible. They sense that you are whole, and that makes them want to stay. They sense you are not holding on, and that makes them want to invest. You are not asking to be chosen. You simply are, again and again, because your energy is unforgettable. Your presence leaves a mark. You feel it in the way they look at you, the way they listen, the way they respond. You feel seen, valued, wanted, and that feeling becomes your new normal. Stay here. Let this identity anchor. You are someone others drop distractions for, not because you demand it, but because alignment with you feels more important than anything else. Stay with your breath. Nothing to rush. Nothing to do. Everything is already responding to who you are being. And who you are being now is irreplaceable. Your energy settles quietly, not loud, not dramatic, but steady, certain, unshakable. You can feel calm in your body, and calm confidence is magnetic. You already know you are chosen. And knowing creates movement. They feel it. After conversations end, when they are alone, when thinking of you feels grounding and exciting at once, everything else becomes noise. Distractions lose their pull. Alignment feels better than novelty. And you feel like alignment. They don't analyze it. They just know. Plans shift. Space opens. Effort flows naturally. Their actions grow clearer. They follow through. They stay consistent. You feel grounded, secure, certain that you matter. This grounded energy pulls devotion towards you. They give time, focus, effort, because giving to you feels rewarding. You inspire presence, reliability, care. They like who they become around you. That's why they keep choosing you. There is no urgency here, only certainty. And certainty creates commitment. You become the person they return to, the person they share with, the person who feels like home. This becomes your normal. You expect care, consistency, intention, and expectation shapes reality. You don't chase, you don't push, you don't remind. Your presence does the work. You feel chosen, calm, safe, steady. You trust yourself. You trust your worth. And when you embody worth, the world responds. Now take a slow breath. Feel how safe it is to be desired without effort, wanted without chasing, chosen without competition. This is your reality. This is your energy. Now stay here. Carry this certainty with you. Everything you are is magnetic. Everything you radiate draws attention and devotion. And they are responding naturally, effortlessly. You are unforgettable. You are magnetic. You are already chosen. Take one final deep breath. Smile softly. And step forward, embodying this energy. Thank you for being here. Return to this practice whenever you want this feeling to deepen and stabilize. Type, they drop everything and choose me to affirm it. This powerful love energy is going to sink in deeper and deeper throughout the rest of the day as you go about your regular life. To take things one step further, and you want to make sure you manifest this person, I highly, highly recommend you get my Make Them Obsessed Ultimate Love Spell. I have love spells, manifestations, and tarot readings on my site, joybyjanell.com, or you can click the link down in the description box below. My Make Them Obsessed Ultimate Love Spell is actually insane. I get testimonials on a regular basis on how people are blown away by my love spell because people have manifested literally in moments, in minutes, in hours, and days. People have manifested so quickly, and it works really well for a specific person. So go check that out if you do want to take this to the next level. I am sending you so much good energy as always, and I will see you in the next meditation.